Welcome to Berlin Felsi Oracle. Today I'm here to give you a love guidance reading, and this reading is going to be a collective reading. When I say a collective reading, it is for everyone whoever sees this message. So there will be parts in this message that might not be similar to your story. So leave that for someone else, because when I'm giving as an oracle, I'm telling you this because when I give a reading, it will be I'm collecting consciousness, so I'm collecting collective consciousness. I am not doing one-on-one with you. When I'm doing one-on-one, I'll give you the answers on one-on-one, and I will specifically tell you what needs to be done or what not. But when it comes to collective reading, not everything is going to resonate with you. And another thing I wanted to highlight is also that whatever readings I'm putting, it has nothing to do with my life. Whenever I give a reading, I don't look up, try to project my life onto you. I don't want to do that. Only the previous video, when it came to about talking about cheating, is when I had to speak up and say something about my life. But otherwise, whenever I post anything, it has nothing to do with my life. It is nothing like when I'm posting a divine feminine message, it's not from me, it's from source. Let's see what the cards need to tell you. Oh wow, the first card that I got is Ace of Cups. I didn't know this was going. I wanted it to be a love reading, but I didn't really know until now the cards came out. The first card which I got is the Ace of Cups. So it's showing me new beginning in love. It could be a new love coming into your life, or it could be a new beginning in love. Like maybe with your like if you're already in a relationship, there will be a new level that you're going to go into, or you're going to go into a deeper level of love. I see that your cup is overflowing. I see that you have done a lot of work on yourself. Both of y'all, there are two people, like obviously two people involved in a relationship, but both of y'all have done this work individually. I don't feel like much of it was done individually more than together, but a lot of work has been done, and the work that you all have been doing is going to be rewarded by universe. Can you see? I don't know if you can see clearly, but there is a bird coming and dropping money into your cup. So there will be opportunities when it comes to career options, when it comes to maybe moving or something. There is something coming, opportunities are coming into your life, which is going to help you even love openly or give the love to other people. I mean, when you are in that loving frequency, you will attract people who love you, and you will also give love. Like you will be in that flow of love. You don't have to try too hard. People will just come into your life and pour into your cup. So that's what I'm getting. There are people going to come into your life, or there is a person who's going to come into your life. A specific new love may be coming into your life. That love is going to give you all of it. When it comes to care, when it comes to affection, when it comes to romantic proposal, when it comes to romantic gestures, everything is going to be, that person is going to do everything. But there's not a bad but, it's just that it might take time for different people, because the more you now that I've told you this, you would want that, you would want it to come faster, but it will happen when you detach from it. Let it go, let it happen gradually. There is someone who's very passionate about you, and maybe has not told you about it, so that passion is just burning them inside. I'm feeling like this fire, can you see? It's burning for them to say it out loud to you. They want to come to you, they want to say how much they love you, they want to say they want to spend the rest of their life with you, but they are holding off, or something is keeping them away from you. It could be there are multiple people, because I'm getting the 5 of bonds also. So there are multiple people maybe fighting for your attention. It may be one person, 2 people, 3 people, I'm not really sure, but there's a lot of people. Maybe it could be families fighting for your attention, then partners fighting for your attention, then friends are fighting. So it could be even that way, like different dynamics, or different relationships are fighting for your attention, or it could be different partners or different people. I'm not saying that person is cheating, I'm just saying a lot of people are pursuing that person. There are a lot of eyes on that particular person, and they want to try for this particular boy or girl. So like I'm seeing that you have a lot of options, and there's a lot of competition amongst them. They really want you, they really are trying to win your heart, and it is like it is going to be confusing for you. It is going to be like, actually normally people think that wow, we have options, so it's going to be really great, I'll get to choose who's right for me. But no, it's a little difficult this time. You're going to have to think a lot about who is actually right for you, and not think from just who you feel is right for you. You don't have to take those decisions. Make sure you take some time and decide between the two, whoever the people are. You have to take some time and decide. Don't make a rash decision. And let me see about this decision. What um, you will you will make the decision. I got the Ace of Wands, so you will make. There will be someone who will stand out, who will be your one way of knowing who this person is, because this person is going to be your support system. They will be a big part of your support system. They will support you entirely. Like, I feel like inside out, whatever you do, whatever you say, they will support your vision, as well as you will support. It's not like one way. I feel both of y'all will support each other, but I see a very strong connection. So you will know between the 2-3 people, whoever these people are, you will know who is that person you need to really go for or choose between. And that person, let's see this person coming for a fight. There is that one person who's going to fight, or like, do it all for you. Like, that's what I was trying to say. There's romantic gestures, or the appearing for you or showing up for you. They are going to do it all. They're going to fight. I'm getting like they're ready to fight for you. They are ready to give it all for you. They are not sitting back anymore. They are not sitting and watching the movie. They are part of the movie, and they know they are the main character, and they are going to come for you. And now, I don't know, like, this is not gender specific, so it can be a girl coming for you or the guy coming. But like, I'm trying to say, whoever, different people, it's going to be different. But I feel like there is going to be, like, now I'm going to use, because I'm seeing a boy here, so I'm going to use a man is going to come and fight for you. They are going to fight to get your attention. They are going to fight to get you on their side. They're going to fight, and like, not in a bad way. This is not like nasty hand fights. This is like fighting for my love, like fighting for my love, or fighting for their love. They're coming to fight for their love. They know they love you, and they don't want to lose you to anybody else, so they're coming to give their all to you. They are not going to sacrifice much while doing this. It's just that they are ready this time. You seen that guy, like, he was like, I'm going to kick that. Like, he knows what he needs to kick off his sheet. He knows what he needs to do. So he's a very action oriented person, and he knows he has to make an action now, because he can see there is competition. There's a lot of competition, or there's a lot of eyes on that person, or there's a lot of, like, he's not doing it out of fear. He's doing it because he knows he's meant to. He's gotten the push from the guide. Somewhere somebody said that you have to go for this, or maybe it could be me only who's saying it right now, and will push that person towards their partner. So, like, if you are that person, or if someone out there you want to fight for, please go and fight for that love, because like, that love you don't find everywhere. You don't need to give up on a very like, you don't need to give up on a person you love so much just because of the circumstances. The circumstances will get better. Illusions will fall. Illusions will break. But first, fight for each other. When they say, right, like, there's a song, I'm getting fight for you. I don't know whose song it is. I'm not really sure. Jason Derulo or someone's song is a fight for you. That's coming up in my mind. I've not heard it for very long. I don't know why that song is coming, but that is what I am channeling right now. They will fight for you, or you need to fight for them, but you need to fight for this love, because there is no one else that will make you feel this way. I'm not saying it like you will not find someone else. You can find someone else, but you don't want anyone else. I even see it in your own energy. Both of y'all are very focused on each other, but y'all are not ready to fight for this love. Y'all are ready to let it go, but it's saying don't let it go, because oh my god, I literally got the Knight of Wands again, and this time with the King of Cups. So it's showing me that there is going to be, like, now I'm feeling like I'm looking at two options. There is one person who truly deeply loves you and, like, is the king, and there is one person who is a knight and who is coming forward. Now, the previous time I said this person could be the one, But now when it came out, I really can't tell you, because see, at the moment you will have to make that decision. It's not coming, it's not going to come now, because different people will choose from, like, there are two options. That's what I can tell you right now. There are two options, and the two options, one is very emotional, one is very loving, one is emotionally available, and the other one is faking the happiness. I feel like they are not really happy, or they may be showing a happy face when they are actually suffering. And so now you choose if you want to go into suffering or you want to go into happiness. So I'm not going to tell you who to choose again, but I feel like you're getting a lot of King of Wands with, after a lot of pain, after a lot of problems, after a lot of bad love stories, you're going to get a good love story. You're going to get someone who will stand by you, who will who will fight for you, who is composed, who is like together. I'm not saying we all are imperfect, we all have problems, we all have issues, we all have wounds. But if someone is ready to heal it with you, that is like the goals nowadays. Perfect goals or perfect couple goals is someone who's ready to work with you, who's ready to work, not fight with you against the world, and not fight with each other. That's why also I'm getting that Fight For You song, because I think in the past they were trying to fight for you, but it was like they were fighting you instead of fighting for you. And now I'm seeing them fighting for you. And let me see one last card. Yeah, they have been wounded in love before, so I can understand why they were fighting with you, but now they are going to come back healed. But I got the Star at the back of the deck, I got the Judgment card also. There are a couple of good cards, so it's showing me that a wish fulfillment. There is something they are wishing with all their heart. They really want to be with you, even you want to be with them, but there are some things that are holding, like as usual, twin flames have to have illusions that will hold them back. So literally currently I can see two birds flying around together. That gave me a sign that y'all are going to run away, or y'all are going to go and retreat with each other. Y'all need some time away from the society, you need some time away from all the noises. Y'all just need each other at the moment, not in a bad way, not need, but y'all are going to, like, I don't like saying coming into union, because union happens then it's separation happens, union happens and separation. But I really see that you all are going to have a lot of fun together. There's a lot of fun. Oh my god, got the Sun card. I know I was going to stop shuffling, but my hands couldn't stop shuffling. And the Sun card is showing sunflower, showing a lot of good things happening. This person is going to be really loyal with you, because you're showing a dog. So I feel this person is going to be loyal with you, and like going to see you as the prize, or as a lot of positive messages I'm getting in my mind, for like from them as well as from you. Like you all are going to be so in love, so deeply in love. And like no one's nazar, no one's intentions to take y'all apart, nothing is going to work, nothing, because I feel like y'all have made up your mind and y'all are going to fight for each other. I really feel like the fight, it may be a long time coming. I'm getting a long time coming. This fight had to come to an end, and now it's going to come to an end. And now this message is timeless as well. Now after seeing this message, it can be any time. The more you believe in this message, the more you will see it in your reality. So at the moment I see that things are going to, when I got the first card only itself, the changes are happening right now. They're going to start from now, but when they actually turn up, or when they actually come into your life, or fight for you, can happen anytime between the weeks 2 or 3. Like I'm not really sure, because time is an illusion. I don't really give time frames, but I really feel like they are done playing small. They are done not speaking up. They are done keeping the fire inside. They are ready to speak up, and they are going to come soon to talk to you and express their feelings. I don't know who this person is. It can be you who will get that push to go and message them, or either the person, your person will come and message you. One of the two. Here I don't feel there is any restrictions. I feel like you need to listen to your intuition with this. Whenever you get the pull to message them, you should message them. And whenever you feel you need to go after this person, go after that person, because it's never too late. I hope you got your message. I hope, literally, I'm seeing the birds again. They are flying in my. They're literally flying in circles right in front of my window. So, which is trying to tell me, stop running in circles and going into the past. Be in the present and enjoy the present and create a future.